If you want to bring any character to life with perfect motion, meet DreamActor M2, the next generation of AI motion now available on Promptus. It's a simple two-step process. First, upload a static image. This could be a person, an anime character, or even an animal. Second, choose your template video. DreamActor captures the body motion, facial expressions, and lip sync from the video and maps it into your image. Hit generate, and Promptus handles the rest. Unlike other tools, DreamActor M2 maintains incredible structure stability. This means your character stays looking like your character, with background consistency that stays rock solid from start to finish. Why choose DreamActor? It outperforms Kling 2.6 by nearly 10% in stability and action completeness. Plus, it's up to 2 times more cost-effective. Let's look at another example.
What is black and white and red all over? A newspaper. What is black and white and red all over? A newspaper.
It's a professional choice for creators who need high-quality motion at scale. Ready to animate? Head over to Promptus and start creating with DreamActor M2 today.